To always salute, give everybody when they look us koro and they hear us wine on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV, on top Star Times channel 195. And we welcome you to the program when we say, we dey talk as the team be for body. Every topic when we bring here, they come on smoke and we dey discuss them as it dey hot. Today on top of as it dey hot, you get what people they call appetizer. That one, if the food never done, now wait till you go discuss or you go chop before the food go settle. We don't talk about the issue of say some kind money where they miss for the NMPC pocket. When we say the government don't decide they go chook eye on top of that, the government will never even enter. Don't talk say they go program to see the way when the team be. One of our Ogbonge guests go join us to chook mouth on top of that matter. But based on the breaking news wey come out yesterday night, and when we say everybody for Nigeria hear the gist, say the Nigerian army where they work where they free 200 girls and 93 women. If you plus that together now, 293 females for inside the Sambisa forest. We go see Chukma reason the matter. Give kudos to our army people because now work, then they work. My name na Nkubi Chukwudi. As usual, you know, so I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother wey sabi well. I see they concern the matter as in the heart.
Yes, now beautiful day for here for our studios, and we don't carry another edition of as in the heart. Come on our way, we be our beautiful viewers when they watch us. As usual, we'll open our phone lines for now to also chook mouth on the few things we don't raise. And that is why we don't enter into the matter, talk well. Then our feet do it, now our feet also contribute. Now, as you now make also know, say we get 3 solid telephone lines for now and 1 toll-free line. Where we say toll-free line, we say now go call, now go talk, and the payment to call. Now we go take charge of that one. And Chukwudi talk something about this thing, Chibok girls. I mean, 200 girls being freed from Sambisa by the military and 93 women. But the question can be, in quote, say the Chibok girls, they're among these 200 girls. Now, and that's what we need to look into, because they say they're free 200 girls. Because we don't also see some paper headlines where carry say, hey, they nothing say the Chibok girls, they're among the 200 girls. And then on the issue of the this thing, of the audit where they don't carry out, Chukwudi, we don't see some elements of I don't know how to take put them. They don't release statement, and then the firm will even release the statement. Look at finish say they don't get all the necessities, all the facts, all the researches where they need to take look into this matter and release them the way they're supposed to release them. Unto say waiting, unto say small restrictions. They will not allow them chook eye into some of the matter. So for that reason, say they only release this way they release. Now only based on the few resources where they get, based on the few materials where they provide for them. Now they come out with the audits where they come out where they release just recently. Very true.
But before we come, they chook out on top of that one, because that one it should not be issue when we say that they rush, they discuss. The matter don't be on ground, and we will get experts when we come inside studio to look into the matter. We just look at this one when people come out, come talk, say not be Chibok girls. Say now some kind of people, because they don't say they don't screen and profile the people. They thought say they go screen and profile them to know whether not Chibok girls or whether not be Chibok girls. But some kind of international news agency them don't come out, come talk, say according to the spokesperson of the army, we know say the person where they always they talk for the Nigerian army na General Chris Olukolade, and he never talk anything since. But with waiting 3 international and reputable news agencies don't talk. And the thing don't make our ear they stand. Now for on top of Twitter, they come out, come make the announcement, the Nigerian army first. That they use the Twitter handle when they call at Defense Info NG. They tweet, say our Nigerian army where they walk where they carry action enter inside Sambisa forest, and they don't free 293 females. They come to say they destroy the notorious camp of the Boko Haram Jaguda people, and then go screen and profile them to know whether they be Chibok girls or they don't be Chibok girls. They talk say they will give us information later. Up till now, we never hear from them. But 3 international news agencies, Al Jazeera, Associated Press, and Reuters, they come out, come talk, say, according to the spokesman of the army, when talk to them, whenever tell the full Nigeria, say Chibok girls know the inside. But if we can't look this matter from look at where you know, from every angle. We'll come there. Me, for me, or left for me. What I don't they talk since, now what I go still stand on. Say this thing, you know, your Bible they talk say kokoro tinje for, he there for lower. You understand? Because Oyibo people and other international countries, the way we say, they get experience. They carry all their instruments, come inside this country, fly over Sambisa forest. They say they don't see one living soul. And all of a sudden, after 1 year, we can't see 293 people. The question when I get to ask, I say, 293 people, if they enter church don't full. If they enter even only stadium for Island for year, he don't full. This is a setup. Now wait till they talk. This is a setup. We know all this. You know it. Don't be telling me what are they trying to drive. Now for this same show, yeah, I talk and say, governor promise say security go there. How these people take enter, pack all these children there. 293 people, all of a sudden, they come appear inside Sambisa forest. Who they feed them since? Where then they since? We know all this. You know all this. You will not say the truth. But today, Nigerians, the truth don't come out and everybody don't see.
Hold on, relax. You know the shame say they even talk like this.
You say I know.
So you go open your big, not even referring to as your big mouth. They tell Nigerians right now say all this is not set up.
The Chibok parents come out, come talk, say the vice principal academic of the school, he threatened the children, say none of them must sleep for house, so all of them must sleep for school. Then the day when these people come, our own children, when be students, they no come there. All these things,
so
that is
tell me,
what
come be the setup there?
We set up.
The fact say they kidnap girls, I be they no kidnap girls.
293 people. After over 1 year.
They kidnap girls, I be they no kidnap girls.
Where the girls then come out from?
No be you talk now, say the parents of the girls talk, say their principal, I be that talk, say, look, then tell them, say, make them call school. Say, which means say, then kidnap the girls, I be they no kidnap the girls.
Security, no day. Nigerians, make una ask the governor. Make una ask the governor of Borno State. Make una ask the governor of Borno State. Everything will come out. Small by small, it will come out.
Chukwudi.
And they talk
Chukwudi. The good news right now is they don't enter Sambisa. They don't free 200 girls, 93 women. So take them easy.
No, I take them easy.
Take them easy. And no jump into conclusion, say monkey hand dey there. And if monkey hand go dey there, Chukwudi, let me make it authentically to you. If monkey hand go dey there, it will come from the end.
Because of the governor, no wetin happen.
It will come from the end. It's as simple as that.
I go talk
it will come from the end.
I go talk about this show.
You make sure say monkey and
293 females.
Monkey and
over 1 year. Sambisa forest. I go command. I dey talk about this show. I go command. I get military background.
It is high time you stop using your command going as an example.
Why? Because of my intelligence. Because of my military background.
No, they take and give me example. Let us face ourselves man to man and address issues based on how we see them.
Which man to man? I will finish you because I have military background.
Okay, fine. Let's bring it on.
Which bring it on?
Bring it on. You won't finish, man. Bring it on, Chukwudi. The fact is, look, girls were missing. Beautiful.
Who missed the girls?
Chukwudi, will allow me land?
Who missed the girls?
Allow me land.
Who missed the girls?
Allow me land.
Who talks say security?
Allow me land.
You will talk this talk today.
Allow me land.
Nigerians will see you for who you are.
Which of course, they talk say yes, girls are missing. Fine, okay, we can't look talk say Mr. President will be Oga, waiting and waiting you don't do. Okay, you just talk say monkey and they there. Why Oga President never investigate this thing to know whether monkey and they there or not?
That's a lie. That's a lie for you. Okay. You are lying.
Okay, why am I lying?
How you go to say Oga President never investigate?
Okay,
how?
Chukwudi, he investigate.
How?
Fine, he investigate. Is this a monkey hand there? Why he not bring these monkey hands to order? Why not bring them before the law?
Thank you.
Because of say that they behind this thing. Okay, we go punish now. We go sentence now. Why not bring her?
Thank you.
Why not bring her to law?
This is what I call a gang up.
No. Tell me now.
This is what I call a
Why is it Mr. President?
I don't speak English.
Why is it Mr. President?
He's the commander-in-chief of the armed forces.
Beautiful. You are the commander-in-chief of the armed forces. You know, say monkey and they the particular issue. I know the people somehow I know the people they behind. Why not just bring them together and say, we not don't violate the law and now they represent us well. And for that reason, we they bring it, they take it to court. We go sue this matter, make sure say they punish over this thing when I do.
Who be the people who put the monkey and inside the soup? That's the first question I will ask.
That's the first question I will ask. That is where people like you should be questioning yourself and asking yourself, how did the monkey enter there?
Parents send their children go school. Thank you. Why they organize the exam? Thank you. Parents can't express their worry, say, based on the way when things they go for here, share security there. why come and talk say security dey, governor talk say security dey. After governor give them assurance say security dey, bad guys come show for night, drive for the full town, partial state of emergency dey o, and the governor is the chief executive officer of the state wey suppose dey relate with Oga Presido. We no hear anything. Una come and tell us say Nkubi, how can 293 girls be inside Sambisa forest for 1 year and we no go know? Now after 1 year we go see them.
Partial state of emergency.
Nigerians,
listen to me. Partial state of emergency.
Ask these people. Ask them.
Partial state of emergency day. Okay, fine. The state is being guided, was being guided by militaries all over.
In pari passu with the governor, because the governor
under
is the chief
command.
Executive. You say what?
Under whose command? The military is under whose command?
The primary command of every state.
Who plays the state partial state of emergency in that state?
Working with the governor.
No, who plays the state of emergency in that state?
The primary responsibility of security in every state is the governor.
The question is
the governor.
Who does the military? What's about guide this? Who did they feed back to? Who did they give result?
Now the governor that they give result to.
Mr. President.
Now why the governor assure them say security
give them the assignment. Okay, Mr. President say these people don't do their work well. Why not investigate? Interrogate them to find out how and where lapses dey.
Why
to know whether monkey and dey there.
Why WAEC no write letter give Oga President? Why they write letter give the governor? Because primary responsibility of security in every state is the responsibility of the governor. The governor now use the mouth assure them say security dey. I know they even they talk about that one because it don't happen. It don't happen. The one that they talk about now say how 293 women go there inside Sambisa forest for over 1 year. Ask yourself who they feed these people? Who knows say them dey there? Who they ensure say them dey safe inside that garden?
I know.
After election,
listen to me.
Nigerians, open your eyes. Open your eyes.
I've not talked this thing because it better make we talk about CB. Okay, somehow, they talk say monkey hand wey dey there come from na end. On what ground? On the ground say look, Nana make the arrangements. Nana carry the girls, and Nana know where they keep the girls. Until say waiting, until say okay, now they find the excuse say fund no day to take buy ammunition no day to take defeat these people. Meanwhile, fund day and now they waiting at the channel all the funds we get. Where are the channel I'm into? And apart from that, hold on. And apart from that, hold on. Now will you allow me to?
Today we go talk
apart from that, they say America no agree sell arms to them. And there are other nations where if we sell arms to them,
sabotage.
So that is the time.
Sabotage.
Mr. President, now the 11th hour, as they talk this thing, now tell you the monkey hand they come from the end. Now the 11th hour, 6 weeks, that 6 weeks extension. Now you don't say you go fight the Boko Haram, defeat them, clean them, come out from the various towns that they don't take over.
Thank you.
Chukwudi, the question is, who and who are behind this?
The
kidnapping in your own end.
The question is, why every country leave Nigeria to face the battle alone for so many years? Why? Because they don't like Oga Presido. Everybody know that one.
Chukwudi.
Why he be saying that when other countries can't join the battle? Cameroon, Niger, Chad, America, every country. Nigeria
I'm not agree with this one.
How?
Ask Mr. Presido. Ask people where they for government. That is what we should be asking.
How?
Meanwhile, make we go break. We dey come. Chukwudi. I'm not going to agree. I'm not going to agree.
293 people.
You are who?
Nigerians.
See,
after election.
It is a big financial plan. Make we go break.
After election.